Question number 6. A chord of a circle of radius 15 centimeter subtends angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. In this question, radius 15 centimeter is given. Radius is equal to 15 centimeter. Theta is equal to 60 degree. Given area of minor segment. Area of minor segment ABC is equal to area of sector OACB minus area of triangle OAB is equal to pi r square theta divided by 360 degree minus half r square sin theta is equal to pi r square into 60 divided by 360 degree minus half r square sin 60 degree. 6 is equal to pi r square into 1 by 6 minus half r स्क्वायर इंटू साइन 60 का वैल्यू होता है √3 डिवाइडेड बाई 2 इज इक्वल टू 22 divided by 7 into 15 into 15 into 1 divided by 6 minus half into 15 into 15 into √3 divided by 2 is equal to 311 is equal to 11 into 15 into 15 divided by 7 into 3 minus 1 divided by 4 into 15 into 15 into under root 3 is equal to 11 into 225 is equal to 11 into 225 divided by 21 minus 225 divided by 4 into 1.732 रूट 3 का वैल्यू होता है 1.732. Always remember this value is equal to 117.85. 117.85 minus 97.42 is equal to 20.43 centimeter square. आंसर क्वेश्चन 6 का सेकंड है. इसमें एरिया ऑफ मेजर सेक्टर फाइंड आउट करना है. एरिया ऑफ मेजर क्वेश्चन 6 का सेकंड है. इन दिस क्वेश्चन we have to find out area of major segment. Area of major segment ABD is equal to area of circle minus area of minor segment. Pi r square is equal to pi r square minus 20.43 is equal to 22 divided by 7 into 15 minus 20.43 is equal to 22 into 225 divided by 7 minus 20.43 is equal to 707.14 is equal to 707.14 minus 20.43 is equal to 686.71. 686.71 centimeter square. आंसर क्वेश्चन फर्स्ट में माइनर सेगमेंट का एरिया फाइंड आउट कर लिए हैं 20.43. मेजर सेगमेंट के एरिया को फाइंड आउट करने के लिए एरिया ऑफ सर्कल माइनस area of minor segment.